What Akwa Ibom Christmas village looks like. Welcome to the heart of Christmas in Akwa Ibom State. In the spirit of the season, we invite you to experience the enchantment of the Christmas village. This is Dakada Tower, the skyscraper center in Uyo. Uyo is so beautiful. See how sparkling and illuminating this building is. So beautiful. See the military men. I love the fact that security here is top notch. This is Udoma Road in the heart of Uyo. So let's dive in. See that banner, Welcome to Christmas Park 2023. Here they are sampling Ibom Air, the best airline in Nigeria. See military men walking around to offer a safe and secured environment. Here they are selling balloons to children. I just noticed children love balloons. Man, this place is full to the brim with people from all over Akwa Ibom State and beyond. As you enter, you are greeted by a symphony of colors capturing the essence of the holiday season. The Christmas village is a celebration of culture, tradition, and the joy of giving. Here they are selling children's toys. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Akwa Ibom, from the traditional musics to the vibrant displays. Every corner tells a story of unity and festive spirit. Here they are playing game. In this fun game, you will throw a circle-like band, and if it falls on any drink, it will be yours. And you are paying 200 naira to play this game. You see there, someone just won a drink. Take a stroll through the Christmas market where local artisans showcase their crafts, from handmade ornaments to traditional delicacies. It's a perfect place to find unique gifts for your loved ones. This is Indomie stand where you can buy a cooked Indomie or a raw one to go and cook for yourself and your loved ones. This place is massive. Let's feel the heat and the music of this beautiful Christmas haven. You can see Zenith Bank by your right. You can deposit, withdraw, and open account here. I learned they even have customer service in case of any bank issues. Christmas is a time for giving back. Join the community in various activities like charity events, toy drives, and heartwarming gatherings that spread love and joy. Here you can feel the essence of the season. This Christmas village was opened on 1st December and I was able to capture the grand opening ceremony of this place on this channel. You can watch out the video on the description of this video. The whole of your right is children playground where you pay a token to have a full service for your children. Let's feel the reason for the season in this section. You see people humbling with standing ovations celebrating our Lord Jesus Christ, which is the essence for the season. Let's feel the spirit of the Christmas in this section. There, I was able to immerse myself with the spirit of the Christmas. And here, where they are selling fish, I was able to immerse myself with the eating, drinking, and chewing.
Make we pity him. He don't go, Abby. He don't cast. Gentlemen, I'm sorry, but that's the end of the road. Did you know you were coming to win money? Yeah. Put your hands together.
This section is where people compete in various games to win cash for happy hours. That's the new slang in Akwa Ibom, happy hours, which means flexing and enjoyment time.
Security go. As you don't get money, hire anybody money now.
This one is red snapper.
Like 2K. You go carry you come out.
It's the name of
and
the
they give
video.
you 8-9. You say you security. You say you security. What's your name?
Airline.
From it from where? Where in Akwa Ibom? What do you do? Congratulations. You have won yourself a trophy load. Let's see the cup now. You won yourself a football. What are you going to do?
Bring the whole family for a day of fun. The family fun zone offers exciting activities for children and adults alike. Experience the magic of the season with carousel rides, face painting, and even a visit to Santa's workshop. As the night unfolds and the lights twinkle, the Christmas village in Akwa Ibom become a true winter wonderland. From our community to yours, we wish you a joyous and Merry Christmas.